And thank you again for taking your time out to watch our videos. It's one of our gearboxes that we're doing for Union Pacific. National Gear staff went on site, disassembled this gearbox. It was a rope puller. Actually, here's the hub for it. A rope puller that pulls the railroad cars when the mechanics there at Union Pacific does their maintenance. National Gear went on site, took the gearbox offline, bring it back here to our facility in Southern California, stripped it apart, rebuilt it with new bearings, new seals. We did some modification to the shaft as it was an older design. This is the Metso box. It was an older design, and we are now waiting for our seals that we've overnighted, install our seal, install our hub, and ship this back to our client, Union Pacific, and reassemble it there on site here today. This was all done within a few days. So do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. All our work here at National Gear Repair is guaranteed for 24 months from the date of install. Thank you.